Happy Wheels time! Oh, hello everyone, and today we are going to play not Minecraft. I already had a Let's Play yesterday. Well, I play because you're a little bit, but today we are going to play. What the heck is. Okay, whatever. We are going to play some Happy Wheels. Whoops. Or here. Okay. TotalJerkface.com. Oh, stupid ads. No, I don't care about more money. I just want to get more playing video games. Sheesh. Load, load, load. Oh, that's loud. Okay. Let's do play. Sure, whatever this is. Press spacebar to skip. What? Whee! Okay, space is a. Oh my god. Whoa, they're trying to kill me? What? How am I supposed to, like... How are you supposed to, like, jump there? Like, is this, like... Oh my god. There's someone coming out here. Yes, we know that. But then... Oh, it's a boat. I get it. Oh! Oh, that was... Oh! Oh god. And we need to get off that. That's crazy. Oh my god. Oh! I just got a machete in the stomach. Oh, okay, that's not good. Oh. Okay. What? What? Segway. I'm a shark. Na 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 na. Oh. Okay, I guess we've played enough of this level. I get to menu. Combine, sure. Oh! Okay, now let's actually go for it. Oh my god. Whee! Hello, Bob. Hey, Jim. Oh, is that the heart? Okay, go, 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 go. Whee! Backflip. No. No. We're going to beat this level. We're almost... Oh. Oh, dang it. Okay, go, 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 go. Whee! Backflip. No. Oh, that's not gonna feel good in the morning. Go. No. Where's your manners? Oh. No. Yes, speed boost. Yes. Yes, we made it. Okay. Go do another one. Sure. Whatever it is. Germo skate park. Ooh, skate park. Whee! Oh. Hello. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh, no. I didn't do that. No, move out of the way. Oh. Yeah, I'm just gonna go this guy. Am I stuck in the bricks? Oh, that's not gonna feel good. A broken arm? Live action, yeah! Oh, I lost an arm. And annual what? Annual jousting competition. Okay, that sounds fun. Come on, tires, you can do that. Fine then, don't do that. There we go. Whee! Eject. Grab on. Oh, okay. Oh! I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Oh. No. Portal freedom. Let's do this. I'm on a bike, yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Hello. What? Whoa, what? Oh my god. What is this place? Another break-in. Oh, no. Ooh, Mars. No, not Mars. Oh. On the moon. Okay. Now where are... Oh. Oh, I landed that. Yes. What do you want? Okay, that's not good. Let's do car seats. Ooh, I get to pick. Segway dude. How dare you steal my car without my permission? Wee. Go. Wee. Go. Oh, just jumped over that pool or lake. Okay. Yes, you'll never get away with this. Subway rampage. What? I can control it? No way. Just destroyed. There's a cop car right there. Well, hello, police. Nothing's going on here. We're just running into stuff. That's a good one. Head shotter. Okay. Walk. This is fun. You. Oh, no, he got me. Okay, I get the point of this game. BMX park. What? I'm on this bike? That's bad. Yeah. I'm gonna make it. No! Oh. Oh, okay. Oh, it flips me. Oh, thank you. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. Yes. Yeah. Oh. Loop-de-loop. Yes. Oh. How am I not dying? There's spikes there. Whee! Oh. I thought I lost. Obstacle course. My goal is to survive. Well, no kidding. Epic jump. Oh. Tomahawks flying? Oh. 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 Okay. Chaos City. Let's do this. Ooh, we can pick who's. No. 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 Maybe. Yes. Let's be Santa Claus. Ho ho ho. Merry Christmas. Go. Why are you running away from Santa Claus? He's friendly. No. Don't worry, your leg's not broken. Go, you can still run. Go. Go, elves, go. No, not about the thing. Yes, go there. There we go. Go. Oh. Now we need to go backwards and then. Wait, maybe we should choose. Yeah, this person. Oh, this thing is actually fast. Why are you running away from me? Oh, no, I didn't make it. That's a problem. Oh, okay, yeah, I know why. Change character. We need to be like cool, Grandpa. Oh, this guy has rocket boost. Go, rocket boost. No. You can turbo boost out of here. It's okay. No. Oh, we're still alive. We're still alive. No, turbo boost out of this. Turbo boost. You don't need legs. Oh no, we're stuck. Oh. Okay, restart. Oh. Go. Yes. We made it. Oh. Oh. The thing's broken. No. Okay, let's do a different level. What's banana peel? Haunted mansion. Let's do this. Please play with me. I only want a friend. Oh. No, I don't want to play with you. Okay, no, I'm not playing with you. No. What? Oh, everybody do the word. So you jump over this guy. Jump over that. Probably jump over this, jump over that, obviously. Evil pumpkin, what have you done? Oh, we have to go in here, okay. That sounds reasonable. Oh, I'm gonna drown in here. Oh, snap. Let's go this way. Is that the right way? Okay, I guess so. Leave? Okay. How do I leave? Up the stairs, obviously. Oh, I made it. Oh, yeah. Let's see. The hotel. Yes. Oh, I'm in a hotel. La la. La 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 la. Hello. Whoops. Waiter. Get an elevator. Hey, that rhymes. Oh, no, what's down here? What? Going down. Let's go to the restaurant. I just said where I want to go. Restaurant. Wee. Oh. Why didn't anyone tell me it wasn't a door? Wee. Oh. Oh, okay, now I'm at the bottom of the pool. Wee. Na 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 na. Oh. Hello. I'm leaving this place. Wait, I think at the beginning there was glass here, yeah. Oh, I just broke the toilet, okay. Can you go out this window? Okay, so that's it. This side, no, okay. But, how much? Okay, I guess I'll end this video here. And yeah, goodbye.